Well, good morning, you two. How are you today? Well, this is Sunday morning up here in Queensville. This is a beautiful sunny Sunday morning up here. She's a little frosty though. Look at the old 05 here. She's pretty frosty. You would think it was cold up here this morning. You know, Denali was all frosted up this morning too, but it's been out running since 7:45 this morning, so I did wash it yesterday. I took it up to the 5 corners for a wash yesterday, but you know, being a black vehicle and it's also a truck, it's kind of hard to keep it clean, so I think I should invest in a little power washer for the house. You're nothing, you know, nothing extreme, but there's a little. My dad's got the same one at home. It's a little battery-powered or electric power washer. I forget what it was. He got it from Lowe's now. I don't know. I don't remember what the PSIs was for it, so I don't know. I don't want to hurt the paint, obviously, but you know, you get a new vehicle. It's nice to keep the things clean. But anyway, speaking of new vehicles, not too long after after I made the deal on the Denali, picked up another project vehicle. You guys might have seen on Instagram. I picked up a Jeep. Yes, I bought a Jeep and the Denali in the same day. Well, I didn't really buy the Jeep. The Jeep was given to me, so let's go check that out real quick. She's a Jeep Cherokee, and you know me all the time. Always getting into some kind of project. So anyway, it's just a 2-door, special edition 2-door Cherokee. What do you guys think? She's 4x4. She's kind of in multiple pieces here. I scored that the other day too. I'm going to take the motor off and put that in our aluminum pile over there. The tank, I might keep the tank and make an auxiliary air tank for the little carport here. That way I got more air supply and the compressor doesn't have to run so often. That might be a video too, how to rig up an auxiliary air supply for a shop. But you know, it's got some copper in it and it's got aluminum and whatnot, so we can take that apart and separate it and make some more cash. But anyway, back to the Jeep here. I was actually one of the neighbors up here in Queensville. He's building, I guess, a rock crawl. He's got all kinds of Jeeps and whatnot up the street there, so I kind of scored that the same day as I went and did the deal in Denali. So I figured between that and some of the other junk I got lying around here now, the neighbor gave me a hot water tank, so business is booming here at Pine Beach Scrap Metal. Oh boy. Oh well, you know, it's entertainment for you guys too, I guess. So I got little odds and ends of bits and pieces, this and that, and I was just coming back from Princess Auto there this morning. I actually even went back down to Highlands this morning for a little trip just to see if the old white truck was still there, and it's sitting in the back lot in the top of the hill waiting to go to auction. So that's kind of sad, but oh well. Look, there's a nut sitting in my yard right there. Anyway, I got some Jeep parts on load here, and then continue on with our movie here. Anyway, I just put the core support and whatnot in the Jeep, so I need to go get some metal blades from our Sawzall, and we can separate some of the stuff and clean it up, and I can take all this junk out of here over the Christmas break, because that's coming up here soon. So like I said, I got all kinds of videos coming up for you guys. So anyway, if you guys like what you see, please comment, rate, and subscribe.